I cannot reset my speedometer. It reads a little bit fast, and I was trying to see if I can recalibrate it. And the advice online is to press both buttons at the same time while turning the ignition on. Buttons. Nothing. Again, nothing. So I'll have to come up with another solution. If you saw one of my previous videos, I did an upgrade on my Boom Vader. I now have power to the handlebars in the form of a USB block. Now that's going to be a cell phone charger as one of the ports, but I have a second port, and I thought I'd get a dedicated speedometer for real cheap. Well, this is a bike speedometer with GPS function that I got off of Amazon. This is the first time opening this. I just want to see what's involved here, and hopefully as you follow along you can see this is fairly something easy for anybody that has problems with their speedometer and just wants a quick and fast solution. Well, set of instructions, whoever uses those, right? But here it is. It's not very big. We'll get this on my bike. So here we are. I have a little test rig set up with a mini GPS speedometer and my cell phone open with a speedometer app. And let's check to see how well this mini speedometer works. Let's make a comparison as far as how fast it's going, how accurate it's going, and we'll also compare it to my car's speedometer. Now I'm going to start driving. Since both speedometers base their speed calculations on GPS signals, I wouldn't be surprised that both of these speedometers are going to be pretty much in lockstep. I'm setting up my car speed for 45 miles an hour, and it looks like both speedometers are pretty much locked in. My cruise control is set at 45, and it looks like both the mini GPS speedometer and the cell phone app are reading the same. One of the nice features of the new speedometer, this little GPS speedometer is small enough to fit right between the risers. So we'll look at the mounting options. Comes with this little mount. There's arrows up and down to show the orientation, and it is curved on the back. And as you can see from these little wings, there's a couple of rubber bands that came with this hardware so that we can stick this right to the handlebar. All right, so we'll roughly position the mount. So using a crisscross pattern of the rubber band behind wrapping around the handlebar, we'll be able to mount it. The first one is from this point to this point. Last one will be from this point to this point. Approximately centered. That is pretty nice. The nice thing about the speedometer is when you turn it on for the first time, you can change the units to what you want. I want it miles per hour, so I have this set up for miles per hour. The also nice thing about this speedometer, it is rechargeable. There's a charging port in the back. It came with its own USB cable. I did an upgrade earlier to put a USB cell phone charger right here to the right. Once the cable is in, you'll have the option to charge the speedometer whenever you want. I'm probably going to tidy this up with some wire ties. And the nice thing is black, so it matches in the colors. And then of course my switch is on the side. I can turn power on and off to recharge the new speedometer. This little USB cable. That's it. Thanks.